In this video, I'm going to show you how to suppress profiles in Klaviyo. First of all, log into your Klaviyo account. Once you are here, scroll down on the left-hand side menu and click on the Audience option. This will open a few more options for you. From here, click on Profiles. As you scroll down, you will see all the profiles you have saved as subscribers. If you want to find a specific profile, you can use the search box at the top. Once you have located the profile that you want to suppress, click on it. On the profile page, click on Profile Actions at the upper right-hand side of your screen. This will open a drop-down menu. From here, click on the option Suppress Profile. Klaviyo will ask for confirmation, so click on Suppress again. After this, you will see that the selected profile has now been suppressed from email marketing. In the same way, you can suppress any other profile you choose. Now, from the same left-hand side menu, under Audience, click on Lists and Segments. I'll now show you how to suppress all the profiles inside a segment. For example, if you have created a segment based on certain filters, you can locate it here. Once you've found the segment, click on the three dots at the end of it. From the drop-down menu, click on Suppress Current Members, and then click on Bulk Suppress. After this, all the members in that segment will be suppressed at once. They will no longer be part of your campaigns or flows, and they will not receive any emails from you in the future. And this is how you can suppress profiles in Klaviyo.